How to go live on TikTok without showing your face. Today, I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without showing your face. Whether you're a little camera shy or just want to focus on other content like gaming, art, or tutorials, you can still go live and engage with your followers. Let's get started. Going live on TikTok doesn't always have mean to showing your face. There are plenty of ways to host a live stream while keeping your face off camera, and I'm going to walk you through a few different methods that work great for this. The first method is perfect for those who want to share the screen but not themselves. If you want to go live while showing a presentation, tutorial, or even just browsing, here's how to do it. What you need to do is first open TikTok, tap on the plus icon, and simply go to live. And on live, here you can find streaming option. Simply tap on it and choose screen share. Once you select screen share, choose the application or window you want to share, like a browser, PowerPoint presentation, or even a game. You can talk and engage with your viewers while they see whatever you choose to share on your screen. You're still live, but your camera won't be on, so your face remains hidden. This method is great for tutorials, gaming, streams, and even watching videos with your audience. Now, what you can do is, if you're into music, art, or any kind of performance, you can go live and simply focus the camera on your work instead of yourself. Whether you're painting, creating music, or cooking, your audience will still be entertained and won't have to share your face. For this method, you can use your phone or camera to focus on your hands or your workspace. Set the camera point at your artwork, instruments, or anything else you want to showcase. This option is great for those who want to create without the pressure of being on camera. And that's it. These are some of the few techniques that you can use for not showing face on your TikTok live.